Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. If you don't know what speed ramping is, it's basically just changing the speed at which the video is playing. So you can speed it up or you can slow it down. So first, let's start by dragging our clip in to our timeline. And now let's choose a few points we want to speed up and speed down in. For example, here, maybe I want to make this so that as the drone goes around the bikers, it starts going slower to really showcase, to really add some emphasis on that part before returning back to normal speed. So how will we go about this is simply going to where we want to start the speed ramp, left clicking our clip and selecting it, right clicking it, then clicking on retime controls. So this brings up the retime window, the retime control panel. Here, we click this downward arrow at the bottom and select add a speed point. So let's continue watching through the video, and I'd say about here is where I want to start speeding up again. So we add another speed point. And now we can drag these speed points around to increase or decrease the amount of time it's being played. So to slow it down, I would want to increase it. So I would drag this to the right. I'd say maybe 45% is good. See how that looks. There we go. Slow-mo close-up before going back to normal speed. Looks really good. Although right now it's a bit jittery, it's not really that smooth of a transition. So how we would fix this is going over to our keyframes tab here at the top left and making sure that retime, let's see if I can pop this up, making sure that retime speed has this curve enabled. So this lets us see it. So once it's visible, all we have to do is highlight our points and then click this icon here, the ease in and out. And once we do, it should show up some bars that we can adjust. So it's smoothen out the transition between slow and fast for us automatically. Let's make this a bit like this. Actually, I want this to be sort of a fast and smooth transition. So let's make it closer to vertical. Let's exit, and now let's see how it looks. There we go. It's smoothened out. This type of transition or effect really shines the best when using high frame rate footage. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you how to speed ramp easily and quickly in DaVinci Resolve. And thank you for watching.